What if your brain can start relearning movement even before your body can? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not actually. Today, we're going to be going through some strategies that some stroke survivors use to jumpstart their recovery, even with zero movement. In this video, we're going to go through mental practice and action observation interventions for retraining the brain after a stroke. We're going to go through what is it, who it's for, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it the right way and how to implement it into your daily life. Here's the big idea that most stroke survivors miss that causes them to overlook these interventions. Your brain doesn't wait around for you to start moving for it to start learning. It learns by activation. So this is why these two interventions actually work. So whenever you visually watch a movement being performed or mentally imagining yourself performing a movement, your brain actually lights up the same way that it would when you physically move your body. And that's not no motivational talk, that's neuroscience. This is exactly that activation that we're talking about to help rewire that brain to regain those movements. So you don't even need to have physical movement yet to start retraining your brain for movement. So let's talk a little bit more about the two evidence-based ways to retrain your brain even without movement. The first way to activate the motor system is through mental practice. This is vividly imagining yourself performing a movement step by step, smoothly and intentionally. The other way is through action observation. This is watching someone perform the same movement with good control and timing. But here's the key. When you combine both of these two interventions together, you are layering two different types of stimulation to the brain, the motor cortex and the mirror neuron system. And together, your brain can relearn even faster. In fact, research even shows this combination can improve the speed of recovery, improve your coordination, even reduce spasticity, and it can support your progress even when movement is minimal or even non-consistent. Okay, think of it like this. Olympic elite athletes visualize to improve their timing and precision in their craft. Stroke survivors use the same principles to rebuild movement from the inside out. Same brain, different reason. Hopefully by now I've convinced you in the value of these interventions. So let's get into how to do these interventions effectively without overthinking it. Step 1, settle your body. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Relax your body. Being calm creates better learning conditions for the brain. Step 2 is watch the movement. Observe the movement closely. Every detail is teaching your brain what normal movement looks like again. And step 3 is imagine the movement. Close your eyes. Picture your body doing the same movement. Even without visible movement, your brain is relearning every single rep. So the big takeaway from this video is you don't need movement to begin recovery. You need activation. So let's get started. Over here, I've got an upper and a lower mental practice guided video to help your brain get those first reps in.